because you asked me about crying, and this is this little tangent I'm going into. Yeah. Because those sounds, it's uninhibited. You can't help it. Right? It's literally emotion bursting forth. Because if you notice in crying, orgasms, and laughter, there's sort of a moment where your body is almost trying to fight it in a way. Like with laughter, there's a lot of like right before you start laughing, there's this little moment of it's the same with crying, except it's more they're your whole body's and the same with orgasms, I think. There's a part of you where it's your eyes are and your whole body for a split second.
Eyes are like what, sorry?
Is trying to hold back, and but eventually, your breath and the rest of you, your soul, your spirit, and everything just can't hold back anymore. And those three sounds are just this raw, primal thing. This raw, primal truth. Laughter, crying, orgasms.
And laughter.
What?
And laughter.
I said laughter.
I said after crying and orgasms.
No, I said laughter, crying, and orgasms.
Crying and orgasms sounds like either a book
and if
or
you can
a
do
play.
all three, and if you can do all three at once,
oh my gosh,
that's a workout.
That's definitely a workout.
Yeah, it's quite lethargic too, I think.
Lethargic?
Yeah. Lethargic.
Doesn't lethargic mean you're kind of...
Well, afterwards.
Okay.
I should rephrase. It's quite euphoric. I feel like
quite euphoric.
Do all at the same time, and then afterwards it's lethargic because you just literally release so much things, and you're just just physical vegetable. All your mind, it's essentially been deleting, in computer terms, deleting or recycling all of these things that have been built up and made you run slower. If we are using ourselves metaphorically like a computer.
If people stop calling other people just people, then perhaps we'd get to know each other's names before congealing everyone into a blob of human. We exist interdependent of each other. Yet some of us seem to have forgotten that and bought into the idea that there is nothing but the individual. So I guess it requires a little bit of humbleness and a little bit of humility in knowing the graces that have been bestowed upon each and every one of us in many different ways, and we all know them. There are some things we are so thankful for in our lives.
Things that move our soul. Things that move us to tears. Move us to maniacal laughter.
Do you have anything else to say to the good people, Bryce?
Thank you for being here. Thank you for being.